Hello, my name is Sophia Saucedo, and my mini unit is based on first grade place value. And as you can see here, these are some of the standards and mathematical practices that I use throughout my lesson. As you can see, I focus more on mathematical standards and practices 1, 4, 5, and 6. For my first lesson, I decided to focus on vocabulary and just have the students understand the words that we will be using throughout the lesson. And I feel that that is important because if the students don't know what the teacher is talking about, then the lesson will be a lot harder for them. So I decided to start off with this book, Place Value by David Adler. It gives a little introduction on what to expect when you're learning place values and definitions to vocabulary words like what an actual place value is, what are digits, tens place, ones place, so all the basics. And at the end, at the end of the lesson and at the end of the book, students will be given a vocabulary word, and they will have the option to either write or draw the meaning of the word that they were given. Lesson number 2, this is just a fun lesson that I felt like students would enjoy. It's a little interactive. They were able to build. So basically, students will be working at a Lego factory, and they will be given Legos, and they must build the orders that come in. As you can see on that top worksheet, those are the Lego orders that are coming in, and then the bottom worksheet is the order forms that the students have to fill out with the number of Legos needed, how many tens, how many ones, and then they have to draw the model that they're being built. So, for example, let's say the order came in for 36 Legos. So students must grab their Legos and build a model for 36. So that would be 3 tens and 6 ones. And then they would have to model it in the section right here. Lesson number 3. This focuses more on how many ones equal 10, and how ones can create groups of 10. So this lesson will start off with popsicle sticks, and I will ask students to create a group of 10 using their popsicle sticks and tie it up with the rubber band. Then I will add ones to it and have them build tens and use the ones to make the number that they're given. And then at the end, they will fill out this worksheet and hand it to me, and then this will give me a good assessment tool to let me know where they're at. Lesson number 4 focuses more on word problems, so students will have to think and use mental math or blocks to help them if it's a little easier for them. So for example, if Miss Sue had 100 blocks, how many sets of 10 can she make? This will have so students will have to figure out how many groups of 10s do 100 blocks make. Throughout this mini unit, there was certain challenges and some successes that I felt came through. I think the biggest challenge is just getting started, figuring out what content I wanted to focus on. And I feel like my biggest success throughout this unit would be just learning new techniques and learning new strategies of how and to teach the students how to manage my classroom, and so just different strategies to go forward with the lessons. And that was my presentation. Thank you.